Hi friends, welcome to Math Mind Logic. In this question, let's take a square common. You get a raised to the power 4 minus 1 is equal to 4080. To factorize a raised to the power 4 minus 1, remember a very important rule that a square minus b square is equal to a minus b multiplied by a plus b. Apply it here. So this will become a square minus 1 and a square plus 1 equal to 4060. Look at left hand side carefully. You have a square minus 1 multiplied by a square multiplied by a square plus 1, which is multiplication of three consecutive numbers. So let's break 4080 into multiplication of three consecutive numbers, which will be 15 into 16 into 17. If we match left hand side and right hand side, a square minus 1 will be equal to 15, a square 16 and a square plus 1 as 17. So a square is equal to 16. Bring everything one side. So a square minus 16 is equal to 0. Again use the formula a square minus b square here. So you get a minus 4 multiplied by a plus 4 equal to 0. This gives you two values of a, that means minus 4 and 4. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to our channel.